In a breakthrough discovery beyond the orbit of Earth, astronomers have discovered 12 new moons orbiting Jupiter. The gas giant has now become the planet with the most moons, snatching the crown from Saturn. With this new discovery, the ringed Saturn has 83 moons, while Jupiter now has a whopping 92 lunar worlds around it. That is more than any other planet in our solar system. Scott Shepard of the Carnegie Institution said that the Jupiter moons were added recently to a list kept by the International Astronomical Union's Minor Planet Center. The details and confirmation of the new moons have been published quietly by the Minor Planet Center. They were discovered using telescopes in Hawaii and Chile in 2021 and 22, and their orbits were confirmed with follow-up observations. These newest moons range in sizes from 0.6 miles to 2 miles, that is 1 kilometer to 3 kilometer, according to Shepard. I hope we can image one of these outer moons close up in the near future to better determine their origins, he added. Shepard, who discovered a slew of moons around Saturn a few years ago and has taken part in 70 moon discoveries so far around Jupiter, he expects to keep adding to the lunar tally of both gas giants. The discovery of the moons comes just a year before NASA is preparing to send a mission to explore the Jovian worlds. The Europa Clipper mission is preparing to conduct the first dedicated and detailed study of an ocean world beyond Earth. The probe will determine if this distant moon has conditions favorable for life. The expedition's objective is to explore Europa to investigate its habitability. The spacecraft will perform 45 flybys of Europa at closest approach altitudes, varying from 2,700 kilometers to 25 kilometers above the surface. The spacecraft is not being sent to find life itself, but will instead try to answer specific questions about Europa's ocean, ice shells, composition, and geology. Jupiter and Saturn are loaded with small moons, believed to be fragments of once bigger moons that collided with one another or with comets or asteroids, Shepard said. The same goes for Uranus and Neptune, but they are so distant that it makes moon spotting even harder. For the record, Uranus has 27 confirmed moons, Neptune 14, Mars 2, and Earth 1. Venus and Mercury come up empty. Jupiter's newly discovered moons have yet to be named. Shepard said only half of them are big enough, at least 1 mile, that is 1.5 kilometers or so, to warrant a name. The Jovian system is now a mini solar system in itself with these 92 moons. Jupiter was already the biggest planet in our solar system. The newly discovered moons are small and far out, with their orbits stretching over 340 days. Meanwhile, 9 of the 12 are among the 71 outermost Jovian moons, whose orbits are more than 550 days.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.